Hello, everyone, and welcome to another XTIVIA live session, Digital Transformation and MuleSoft, presented by Robb Ralston. My name is Alex Killian, and I am the video editor and digital media specialist here on XTIVIA's marketing team. Before we dive into our live session this morning, I want to tell you a little bit about our company. XTIVIA started in 1992, and since then, we've grown to more than 325 employees worldwide. And we've established a reputation as a company delivering cutting-edge IT solutions and technology support for our clients' very specific requirements. And we've got offices in Colorado, Missouri, New Jersey, New York, Texas, and Virginia. If you have any questions come up during this live session, please feel free to submit them in the Q&A section. Or if you're watching on our YouTube live stream, just submit a comment and we will do our best to answer those at the end of the session. Also, all of the links referenced in this presentation will be available in the description box on our YouTube video after we're done here. Today, we will be hearing from Robb Ralston, XTIVIA's Senior Business Development Manager. Robb's background is strong in business development, account management, and team building. He's known for his commitment to relationship building and his ability to help clients with initial needs assessment, as well as resource brokering to provide solutions for internal corporate issues and client challenges. He enjoys using his broad base of experiences with clients and colleagues on value-based solutions, applications, and services. Robb, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Go ahead and take it away.
Thanks, Alex. So what exactly is digital transformation? Digital transformation is simply a wholesale move to thinking about how to digitize every part of the business, as every part of the business now needs technology to operate. We are in the age of Internet of Things, or IoT, where everything is becoming digital and everything needs to connect. In turn, the way companies think about technology needs to change. If everything is digital, if the way drivers buy a car insurance policy, to the way customers buy pet food, to the way viewers consume a movie, it's all digital. Then, in the background, there is an IT architecture of literally hundreds of thousands of connections that need to happen to deliver those experiences through channels customers are trying to move to. Businesses that are embracing digital transformation are trying to move from systems of transactions to systems of engagement. Engagement systems extract information from customers and bring it to life. Developing a personalized and rich experience of the customers increases their lifetime value and makes them advocates of a business. According to MuleSoft, when it comes to digital transformation, it is no longer a case of if, but when. And over the last 12 months, organizations have moved beyond planning to execution. Nearly 74% of all IT decision makers are currently carrying out digital transformation initiatives, with an additional 23% planning on do so over the next 3 years. Basically, companies need to initiate a digital transformation process when their ability to meet customer needs is outpaced by their ability to deliver it easily, effectively, and efficiently. In some organizations, when a piece of technology is needed, some creative types will simply just go around IT and develop it. Of course, this only makes the problem worse. You need data to make informed decisions. Organizations are collecting more data than ever before. These are the apps that companies need to function. Maybe not all the time, but most of them. That means your company is using numerous applications that all need to talk to each other, and you need to leverage your legacy technology investments to extract the data you're collecting. MuleSoft's Connectivity Benchmark Report of 2018 reveals, on average, organizations are using 1,020 individual applications across their business. And despite the huge number of individual applications organizations use, a relatively small number, 29%, are integrated or connected together. Even then, organizations are currently spending 22% of their IT budgets each year on integrating different technologies. So with all the apps that businesses need today to function, it's complete chaos for the IT team to manage. There are challenges in digital transformation, needing to deliver great experiences in multiple channels while out-innovating the competition, having incongruence between business priorities and IT investments, and just plain not understanding the process of digital transformation. IT teams are favoring tactical improvements rather than focusing on more transformative initiatives that deliver long-term business value. Additionally, IT must evolve into a self-service platform with reusable data assets to accelerate digital transformation, improve agility, and increase the speed of solutions delivery. XTIVIA has solutions for you. More on that in a minute. But for now, here are a few recommendations to support digital transformation in your organization. Enable your line of business users to get the data they need without IT intervention. Make sure business priorities and IT investments are aligned and mutually supportive. And use APIs to access the data you're already collecting. Let's talk more now about APIs and how they're driving changes in business. IT budgets have remained relatively static, but IT is simultaneously being asked to deliver more projects to the business than ever before. 2/3 of IT decision makers admitted they were not able to deliver all the projects asked of them last year. That's where APIs come in. APIs are the connectors between applications that facilitate data exchange, and they are driving cultural shifts in business. They are increasing the number of endpoints that must be connected in the digital enterprise, both inside and outside the organization. And these systems change frequently. Legacy tech prevents IT from meeting business priorities with speed and agility. To do so, APIs are being used to collect data sources. APIs make apps, data, and devices pluggable and reusable, which results in accelerated business outcomes. APIs and reuse are also driving revenue through activities directly related to an API implementation. So integration continues to pose a challenge for most organizations, and there is still a huge opportunity for organizations to increase efficiency and innovate by integrating and connecting more of their applications. The struggle between keeping the lights on versus innovating is real. IT departments are spending nearly 2/3 of their time, 63%, on running the business activity compared to innovation and development projects. The majority of IT decision makers, 89%, believe that integration challenges are slowing or hindering digital transformation in their organization. And 81% said point-to-point integration had created the biggest IT headaches they'd ever seen. That means APIs are changing how technology works. They are changing the way business operate and behave. APIs are initiating a cultural shift from a centralized IT towards an open, collaborative environment. By opening up data instantly in a governed way through APIs, line of business users can leverage this information to meet their needs quickly without IT serving as a bottleneck. APIs and reuse speed the pace of business, with growing pressure to deliver online business users' needs and to meet the digital transformation goals quickly. IT teams are responding by driving speed and agility through the use of APIs. As you know, you need a bridge between legacy tech and the data it holds to ease the digital transformation process. MuleSoft is an API connector that is the bridge between your application and data it exchanges. That said, it's not enough for CIOs to put MuleSoft in place and think digital transformation is handled. That's only one piece of it. The bigger message is that CIOs must teach IT teams what digital transformation really means and provide guidance on how to align IT strategies and investments with business goals and priorities. It's not about going paperless. It's about IT teams enabling the whole business to innovate faster than the competition and adapt quickly to market changes. MuleSoft provides the technology transformation products, services, and solutions for customers who would like to roll out new business features in a short span of time. To support the business process, you either have to depend on existing IT systems or implement a new application, which has to integrate with existing systems. MuleSoft allows developers to connect applications together quickly, easily, enabling them to exchange data using API-led connectivity and loose coupling of enterprise applications or systems. As a quick refresher, here's a quick recap of the 4 ways that tell you that you need MuleSoft APIs to facilitate your process of digital transformation, leverage your legacy technology, and get the most value from your data. Your goal is to use the data you're already collecting by accessing it and getting it into a form where it can yield actionable insights. Mule APIs can do that for you. Our history, experience, and credentials speak for us. XTIVIA is a long-time partner with MuleSoft. We are honored to continue and grow with MuleSoft and add to our experience base. All of our resources have over 15 years of integration experience and are MuleSoft certified. We have over 100 MuleSoft certifications. I'm not here to sell you, but I would like to be a resource on your journey towards digital transformation. All the links that appear here on the slide will be on YouTube in the descriptions after the video is published. Other services at XTIVIA include data management, web portal, mobile application development, CRM, ERP, and additionally, EIM solutions. Within our EIM stack, we do a lot of event-driven and SOA solutions, business process management and workflow, business intelligence and data warehousing, and master data management. We enable the agile enterprise with real-time response to changing conditions, predictive and actionable intelligence, leveraging synergies, implement accelerators, and we also leverage IT investments. Our EIM team works to create an agile enterprise, one leveraging synergies to reduce complexity and redundancy within current information management environments and improve overall ROI. And Alex, with this, I'm going to turn it back over to the Q&A session, please.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Rob. Looks like we have gotten a few questions come in.
Great.
First up, what is the one thing companies need to know about digital transformation?
You know, it confirms a mantra that we chant with our customers, that we can't solve digital transformation and integration challenges with technology and architecture alone. The organization must also transform, or we will use the new technology in the same old ways. Then we also have the worst of all outcomes. We spend a lot of time and money, and we don't move forward.
All right. Second question we've got here. What are the main systems that XTIVIA is integrated with MuleSoft?
You know, that's a great question, Alex. Salesforce, Infor CRM, Infor EAM, Oracle Financials, and several legacy systems.
Okay, awesome. Do you see MuleSoft implementation only on cloud, or do you see more on-prem?
You know, we see both and hybrid, right? They vary based on the customer's application footprint and, you know, what the project looks like.
All right, awesome. Next question. Have you done logging and exception handling?
We do. We use Splunk, and we also have XTIVIA's exception handler.
All right, cool. And then the last question we got here, what type of partnership does XTIVIA have with MuleSoft?
You know, we're a MuleSoft business partner that's a solution provider as well as reseller. And actually, we're in the process of rolling out one of the largest MuleSoft implementations in North America.
Awesome. All right, well, that about wraps it up for this live session. Thank you all so much for joining us, and thank you for the questions. Please don't hesitate to reach out to Rob if you have any further questions. And as always, this live session will be available on our YouTube channel as soon as we finish here. And also just a reminder, our XTIVIA live sessions are every second and fourth Thursday of the month. So please tune in to our next one coming up. And Rob, thank you so much for joining us this morning and all of that insight.
Thank you for hosting me, Alex. I appreciate it.
And have a great Thursday, everybody.
Thank you, sir.